Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Testis. Testis is formation of testis and ovary. Testis is formed by 6 to 7 weeks. Ovaries are formed by 7 to 8 weeks. Helper genes for testis formation is SOX9 gene. Helper genes for ovary formation are WNT4 and RSPOI gene. Gonads are formed from genital ridge. These gonads, which are formed from genital ridge, are derived from intermediate mesoderm. Genital ridge are first seen at fifth week of gestation. Most of the female genital tract is mesodermal in origin, except the parts which are derived from urogenital sinus, which is endodermal in origin. That means all female genital tract is mesodermal in origin, whereas those parts derived from urogenital sinus are endodermal in origin. Germ cells. Germ cells. Germ cells are present in the gonads. Germ cells are derived from the primitive ectoderm or ectoblast or epiblast. Germ cells are derived from primitive ectoderm or epiblasts. So these germ cells at 3 weeks of age they reach the yolk sac, and at 6 weeks of age these germ cells reach the gonads. So till 6 weeks of age the germ cells reach the gonads.
thank you and thank you for watching.